Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add and remove lock screen text on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. First of all, we need to go to the settings, scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization, and then choose lock screen. Over here you will find a bunch of different lock screen themes that you can use. If you want to use the default one, then of course you can press customize, tap on this field, and then over here you have tap to enter signature, so you can go over here and then you can type anything you want. And there we go. Then if you press done, you will have this text over here. Later on, if you want to remove it, then simply go back and just delete everything that you have over here. And once again, you can press done. In addition to that, you have different themes, of course, like I said, and some of them, like for instance the magazine, can be customized as well, because if you go over here, you have the text at the top, and we can type pretty much anything we want over here. And there we go. As you can see, we have a different text in a different font, different style. We can press done and we can apply it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.